Car, a road vehicle with 4 wheels, used for transporting people. She drives her car to work every day. Bus, a large motor vehicle carrying passengers by road. The bus was late this morning. Taxi, a car licensed to transport passengers in return for payment. We took a taxi to the airport. Ship, a large boat for transporting people or goods by sea. The ship sailed across the ocean. Lift, an elevator used for transporting people or goods between floors. Take the lift to the 5th floor. Tram, a rail vehicle that runs on tracks along public streets. The tram stops near my house. Train, a series of connected vehicles that run on a railway track. The train arrives at 7 p.m. Plane, an aircraft that flies in the air, used for transporting people. We flew in a plane to Paris. Bicycle, a 2-wheeled vehicle that a person rides by pushing on foot pedals. He rides his bicycle to school. Transport, the movement of people or goods from one place to another. Public transport is very convenient here. Motorcycle, a 2-wheeled motor vehicle that is powered by an engine. He loves riding his motorcycle on weekends. Helicopter, an aircraft with rotating blades that can hover, take off, and land vertically. The helicopter landed on the rooftop. Police car, a car used by police officers to patrol and respond to incidents. The police car arrived at the scene quickly. Trolleybus, an electric bus that draws power from overhead wires. The trolleybus system is very efficient here. Underground, a subway system used for transporting passengers in a city. We took the underground to get